Hi everyone, my name is Dading. Today I'm here to give a talk about my term project for this semester, which is about simple SSD, and this is also about some talk for the paper I select for this term project, and I make some summary and conclusions after I read the paper. So let's start. Well, first, let's talk about what is SSD first. Well, SSD is a solid-state drive. It is a solid-state storage device that uses integrated circuits assemblies to store data persistently. In the paper, it showed that the traditional solid-state drive is lacking of hardware or software architecture models. And it also requires a very long runtimes and excessive computational resources when it's connected with a fully system simulation. Therefore, a new substitution is being considered to substitute the SSD, which is simple SSD. So what is simple SSD? Simple SSD is a high-fidelity simulator that models all detailed characteristics of hardware and software, and also it can simplify the nondescript features of storage internals. So, what is another reason why that the simple SSD could be a good substitute for the SSD? Well, it is because the simple SSD can accommodate a complete storage stack and evaluates the performance of SSDs. So even though the simple SSD sounds so promising so far as I presented here, there are some critical flaws is showing in the paper of the simple SSD. So the first flaw I found is that the SSD-enabled system simulation is not comprehensively analyzed, and I think this will cause the results being not comprehensive and persuasive for the general cases. And also, I don't think the study of a simple SSD should be conducted if the SSD-enabled system simulation is not comprehensively analyzed, since we need to finish the foundation here, which is studying the SSD and trying to find out the issues of SSD comprehensively. Therefore, we can move forward to study simple SSD. And the second flaw I found in the paper is that the Apache has a completely different performance behavior with the file server. And I think this issue should not be bypassed. We should make sure the Apache performance behavior is consistent with file server so that we can make sure the results is correct. And also the samples of the experiments are way too little, and we need to make sure more variety of simulators need to be involved in the experiments. So these are some suggestions I gave to improve the future study of a simple SSD. And just like what I talked about before, so the SSD-enabled system simulations need to be analyzed fully so that the results or the next step of studying the simple SSD can be moved forward. Also, the Apache performance behavior need to be consistent with the file server, so that we might be able to solve the latency time problem of a simulator and make sure the simple SSD is working efficiently. Also, more variety of the simulators need to be involved in the experiments, so that the results of the simple SSD study can be more persuasive and extensively to present the general cases in later study or even in the future work. And these are my presentation for the term project. Thank you.